Are you getting this Java error for Minecraft? If yes, then watch this video till then, because I am going to give you the best solution. So the first step is to start and then install Windows installer. So for this you need to go to Windows search and here you type services and just open this services option. So open this system services, and after that you need to look here Windows installer. Just scroll down and you can see Windows installer showing here. Just double tap on this, and herein you can, in general tab, you need to click on the start button, and after that you need to click on stop button. So it will restart your Windows installer and check whether this issue get resolved or not. Otherwise move to the next step. So the next step is to open this link, and this is a Windows troubleshooter. You just need to download this troubleshooter in your system, and after downloading it you need to run this troubleshooter, and it will fix the problem for you. It will fix other problems as well in your system. So it is very useful troubleshooter, and you just need to run this exe file and install this troubleshooter in your system and run it. It will automatically resolve the issue by checking and deleting all the issues from your system. You can see it is detecting all the problems in my system. So it's showing, are you having problem installer or uninstall program. So you can also select the particular game for which you are getting this error. You can select with Java, or you can click on next, and you can try to uninstall it. After that you need to open this Java. After uninstalling Java, you need to download it from here, Java from the official website of Java. I will share you this link in the video description. So install Java from here and then try to restart a PC and check whether you are getting this issue or not. And in case you still face any problem, you can mention it in the comment box, and I make sure to give reply to everybody. And if you face any problem, just get in touch with me. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.